Hi everyone, it's Deborah and I wanted to show you the prize that the person who wins my 1000 subbies will get, and then I'll draw the prize. So we'll start off. I've got a bunch of stamps. These are Australian stamps. I have got 2 of the pieces of ephemera that I just finished off this morning, so I'll pop those in. I also have some Tim Holtz tissue paper, a piece of that. These are numbers. I got them in the Czech Republic when I was there. Thought they were really cool because they're in a colour. And I also got some forms, so they'll be in the kit, in the pack. A little slip-in envelope bag, a piece of paper from an old school book, plain manila tags, some little envelopes with a top opening on them, and then I've got this one, which is a recycled one from a charity shop here in Brisbane. I also have some ruffled ribbon. There's also a piece that I've cut off from my snippet roll that I made. Some of these cards, they're really thick playing cards. They're actually from a game. And then some paper with some German on it. Well, it's a German book, an old German book, and I've pulled some pages out. This is actually for the front, it's ex-libris, and it's I got it from a vintage shop. I bought a box of these, and they are somebody's personal stamp. It would go in the front of your book. So this person, Archibald Boutard, had made a whole heap of these up. I've got the original stamp as well in a box, so I'm giving one of those to you. And then I have some pages from an old typewriting book. So this is got lots of abbreviations and things on it, and it's lovely paper from one of the old typist books that you learnt on when you were learning. These nice serviettes, some pages from Australian Home Journal from 1947, a piece of paper from the chemist journals I own from June 1945, so those are vintage items. I've got some of these crazy black and white cards, which I just love. Got really crazy images on them. This is an envelope that I've made, so I have included a few things that I've actually made myself, and that's made with a serviette. Some more of these little cocktail serviettes. Then these are some vintage 2-shilling tickets that I found at a market. And then I've also got these tickets, got quite a few tickets in this pack. These are from a New South Wales bus ticket for 25 cents. So there's a pack of those and some more tickets here. So these are from actually Adelaide, I think. Yeah, so they're tickets there. Then I've got these thick cardboard tickets, which are train tickets. Most of them are from New South Wales trains, and they are quite old too. And then I have, this is a little journaling spot that I made from a tea bag packet with some lace across the top, so there's one of them. I have a wooden bird cage, and also in the wooden I've got a little sewing machine and a clock, some mini birds which are in chipboard, then I've got a tag, coloured tag, some more tickets. These ones are new. They're obviously, you know, made for scrapbooking those. They're not vintage. Then I've got these 3 flag things here, which are in botanicals. And I have Moment in Time, that's from Imaginarium. And I've got these, which are flashcards. These are coat check tickets. So I'll put 3 of those in. And this is something that I've made. If you've watched my videos, you probably saw me making things like this. So they're good. You can cut them up further or make them into pockets or whatever you want. And these are also new tickets, and you could dye these as well. They'd be good dyed. Then I've got a couple of these pockets that I've made from music paper. Just trying to find the other one there. I'll find it in a minute. So this is actually one that's got 3 places to slip something in. I've got another of the Imaginarium one. This is a baby boy, baby girl one. I have a packet of these dragonflies, which are in a pretty sort of deep reddy brown colour. Then a couple more of those sewn things when I made mood boards and chopped them up. I have some time cards and some guest checks as well. These are the ones that I have in my stash. And then some more really lovely serviettes that I picked up in Germany. I've got this, which I actually made from a stamp that I own and put together myself, just on a card. I've got some sheets of frames. These actually come out of a book from Minte, and the backs are really nice too if you didn't want to use the frames. And I have a couple of pieces of tea-dyed paper that I've done. And finally, I have some pianola paper. So the person who I draw will win this whole pack of stuff, and I will send it off to them, and that will be drawn just shortly. So stay tuned and see if you've won this great pack of stuff from me. Now I'm doing the draw. So this is the video that I'm going to draw on, and I just need to click on here and copy this link, and then need to go to the next window, and I've got my YouTube random comment picker here, and paste the link in. So there's the link. Let's get YouTube comments. And let's start this and see who wins. So good luck, everyone. Thank you very much to everyone for your comments and for subscribing. My subscriber count is now over 1,300, so it's very nice of you all. And good luck. And the winner is Miss Mary Makes, and it says, "Congratulations on your milestone, love watching you." So if you can please get in touch and let me know your address so that I can send out your prize pack. Thanks again, and look soon for another giveaway. I think I'm going to do one when I hit 1,500. So thanks everyone for joining in. This is Deborah. Cheers.